How to use the new Elementor AI site planner. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the new Elementor AI site planner. This allows you to generate amazing professional sitemaps and wireframes within minutes. So whatever vision you have for your website, you can just provide a prompt, describe what you're trying to build, visualize it, and then perfect it in the basic Elementor editor. So from a basic vision, it becomes a brief, and from your brief, it builds your own sitemap and wireframe. So let's get started. To get started, simply head on over to elementor.com/AI site planner. Then you're going to describe your project and you're going to get your wireframe within a couple of minutes. So now you can click on try for free on the top right to get started with the sign up process. Once you do that, you're going to be led to their login page. So you can sign in with Google, you can choose your email address, Facebook, or Apple as well. And once you click on continue over here, you can proceed on to your sign up. Now, once you do that, you're going to click on Let's Start over here and choose your head start. So if you want to start with AI chat or if you want to use an AI note taker, I want to use the AI chat, so we're going to proceed. First off, it's going to ask you to generate the brief. So they're going to ask you a couple of questions and you're going to answer them accordingly. First off, what is the site's name? So our site name is going to be, let's say our site name is Spencer. And after that, it's going to ask us our second question. So can you provide a brief description of your business operation type for Spencer? So Spencer is a fashion consulting agency. Now, after that, could you describe the services offered by Spencer's fashion consulting agency for your target audience? So style consultation, personal shopping, and let's say we have color analysis, wardrobe reset, like this. Now, once I've provided the basic descriptions, we're going to add the primary goals that we want to achieve with our particular website. So we want to showcase our portfolio, and I also want to build brand awareness. And then I'm just going to proceed over here. So the main goals that we want to, focus on have been our brand awareness and portfolio, but in terms of our secondary goals, we want to also increase our social media presence and we want to collect customer testimonials. Now, once we proceed on to the next step, now what language do you want your website to be in? We want English. And then once we do that, what are the core features and elements that need to be included? So I want a contact form and I want a portfolio gallery for my website because this is a fashion consultancy and it's really important to have these two types of sections so I can display my work. And our basic communication style and personality is fashion forward. And what type of pages do we want included? So home, about, services, portfolio, contact, home, style consultation, personal shopping, color analysis, wardrobe. Then we have home, about us, our services. Now I want this. So in my particular website designing style, I want to build a home page and then I want to build separate pages for each type of service we're providing because we're only providing 4 basic services as a style consultancy. However, I'm also going to, I think in my homepage, I'm going to include all the basics that are fixed in the about page. So things like when our brand was started, what are, the basic pillars of our brand or agency. I'm going to proceed with this particular style over here. So our voice and tone is fashion forward. And if you want to reset any of the information that you've entered, you feel like it's no longer accurate, you can click on the top over here and reply again and change your answer. We're going to proceed with the current plan, and you can see on the top right, it's going to display whether this is a good brief. Once your brief is strong enough, you can use this brief to get started. So you can generate a sitemap and wireframe for your site. So I'm going to click on Yes, I'm ready to proceed with this information. Now, keep in mind, the more information you provided, the better sitemap you will have. So if you want, you can proceed with more information, but for the sake of this video, we're going to proceed with a decent prompt with a decent brief of what our site should look like. And just like that, the wireframes for our site and sitemap can now be built. So right now the site planner has built our basic sitemap, which is going to be a home page, which has all our 4 basic services and then a contact page. Now, if I zoom into this, you can zoom in by clicking on the right over here. the header section, hero section, about us, our services, portfolio preview, a client testimonial, stay updated, get in touch, and then a footer. Then below that, we have each of our individual services. So we have a style consultation, we have personal shopping, we have color analysis, wardrobe resets, and then a contact section. Now in this, you can click on each individual section to begin customization. If you want to add something, let's say I want to remove testimonials, so I'm just going to delete this. Or if I want to add something, I'm just going to click on add section and choose the type of section I want to include. Once you have completed this, you can click on wireframe on the top to generate your wireframe and begin with your final step, which is going to be to actually create and edit your website within a couple of minutes. So right now, this is generating the basic wireframe for our website, which basically means it's generating a template for you. And this looks pretty decent. It's going to be built according to your sitemap. So whatever the sitemap displayed, the wireframe is going to just base the visual representation off of that. So this is the style consultation page. Then I can click on style on the top right to customize our site's look. Now, once we have everything ready, we can click on export kit on the top right. And this wireframe kit and sitemap kit is going to be exported into the regular Elementor editor, where you can proceed with editing and adding your own content. So right now it's generating my site on WordPress. And once this has been completed, I can begin with customization. And this is how easy and simple it is to use the Elementor AI Site Planner. It doesn't give you a hard time at all and can be one of the easiest ways for you to build your professional website that looks entirely unique without having to spend hundreds of dollars on hiring people to build your website. Let's just wait for our export to be completed. And now I'm just going to click on download kit over here. Once I've downloaded my kit, I will have a zip version of my website. Now I can go on to any WordPress hosting provider and apply my brand kit, or you can even click on visit site over here to visit your site. And you guys can see you have your entire tools section and a step-by-step guide on how to import this particular kit onto your WordPress site. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.